Okay, you already have the pre-process of the turning mode or turning process. So let's start to make it the input. Okay, so with this one is the programs, and with this one machine rather video like that, and just make it the program name is turning process. Make it the report, and the operation you have to hit all of them, all of the process related. Okay, and like that you choose where you gonna save the report. Okay, so that is all done, and let's go to the post. Okay, the model for machine is okay, and then the model. Yeah, just save it. Okay, and just open. Okay, it's already success, and you can check if it is the input. This one, Notepad or Visual Studio Code. This one. Okay, guys, this is the input of the turning process you make it. Right there. There you go. Okay, simple and very easy. Let's go back to the time. Okay guys, thank you for watching the Fusion Bridge video, and then I will see you on the next video, okay? So, stay tuned on my channel, okay? Subscribe me and please support me guys. Thank you. Bye bye.